Hey everyone, so I'm going to be showing you how to connect the Mac Mini M4 to a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse without any wires, because people have been asking and I thought I'd show you how to do that as well. This is the screen that you'll come to once you've turned on the Mac Mini M4. And if you look at the logos, right, or the symbols, you can see that it's saying turn on the keyboard and the mouse. So what you need to make sure is both the keyboard and the mouse, so the keyboard and the mouse are both turned off before you turn on the Mac Mini. So once you've done that, now what we want to do is we want to turn on the mouse and I want to turn on the keyboard. So they're both on options where they're not connected to any device. I'm going to just hold this to turn it on to Bluetooth pairing. I know now it's in pairing mode. I'm going to do the same for the keyboard. I know that's in pairing mode, and now we just wait. So they're both flashing. We're just waiting for the Mac Mini to find and detect them. And there we go, the mouse is now connected. So it's found that first. Now we're just waiting for it to find the keyboard. So to pair Bluetooth keyboard, it says turn it on and wait for your computer to connect to it. So the Mac Mini should automatically connect to it. And there we go, so now it's found it. It shows these numbers on the screen. Put in these numbers, 909538, and then press enter. Now we have that. It's saying to select a Wi-Fi network from the menu or attach a network cable to proceed. I have that menu showing. I turn Wi-Fi on. It's showing the different networks. Then I can choose any particular Wi-Fi. If I try and type now when I'm typing, it's actually showing that I am able to type. I'm able to also move around the mouse. So I join. I don't know if you'll see this same screen. It's just I factory reset my Mac Mini so I could show you this again. You should just be guided to the setup menu after. But I hope that helps.